Today we're removing the front door panel and replacing speakers on a Ford Taurus. We're going to start with our Phillips screwdriver, and below the handhold on the door panel are two screws that need to be removed. Along the bottom of the door panel there is one screw at the bottom back edge, there is one screw at the bottom front edge, there is one screw at the front edge along the middle, and two screws along the back edge of this panel. With these screws removed, you can take your pry bar and pry along the bottom edge of the door panel, up the front edge, and then up the back edge. This will release all the clips from the panel and allow you to pull the door panel up and over the door lock and allow the door handle to feed through the opening. This will allow you to pull the door panel slightly back so you can access the connectors at the control panel. These connectors all have triggers on them. You squeeze the trigger into the connector, it releases the lock and you're able to remove them. Repeat this process for all the remaining connectors on this door panel. We have a full library removal guides on our website at carstereoremoval.com. Now you can remove the door panel. Check the door for any remaining clips that did not come off with the door panel. Remove them from the door and place them back on the door panel ready for installation. Remove the screws, replace the speakers. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.